see Casey's necklace here and her earrings. I feel super unfestive right now.
I'm just feeling the holiday spirit.
Hey guys. Oh, hi. Hi. Welcome back to Vlogmas.
Today,
we're gonna show you how to use one of these guys. We're going to make a pom-pom wreath.
There are lots of ways that you can make a pom-pom, but trust us, we've tried them all.
We have. Last year we made 1 million at least pom-poms with our hands.
Yes, and it's terrible. These things.
These to me are the easiest way to make it, and this is called a pom-pom maker.
That's all it does.
If you're going to be making a pom-pom wreath like we are, or you want to make a bunch of pom-poms, you should definitely consider buying a set of these pom-pom makers. This one, I can't even remember how much it was. It's very cheap, and comes with a set of 4 different sizes.
We made a bunch last year for our tree. We just hung on our tree
use
and our
ornaments. Yep. Cactus, basically it. You know, everything Christmassy. We're not going to be using the 2 smaller ones because that's insignificant for this giant wreath we're going to make. So let's talk about what you need.
A glue gun?
You need a glue gun. You need a foam wreath. You need glue sticks for your glue gun.
Yarn.
You need the pom-pom makers and you need the yarn, okay? We have a lot of yarn left over from our tree skirt. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. So we're just gonna use that. All right, so first what you do is you lift up, okay, hold on. Make sure that this kind of spins around. Make sure it's all lined up. And then you're just gonna lift up the top 2 pieces. There's 2. Can you see
what happened to mine? I see.
So just, and then what we're gonna do is start wrapping around this thing. Let me just show you. So start with the string, the end on the outside, and then you're just gonna start wrapping. So you're just gonna wrap over and over and over again. You're gonna try to keep it as even as possible, but honestly, at the end, you're gonna have to trim it anyway, so, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect.
I don't understand. I've seen you do this a million times. I don't understand what kind of sorcery this is.
Well, it does make sense, but I'm not gonna try to explain it to you. So the goal is to wrap it enough to where this part is completely filled in right here. So it looks like a line, like a semicircle.
You're saying semicircle and that's just not really resonating with me.
You know, like half a circle. Like if you took a circle and you cut it in half. So when you get it like this, where it's straight across. Okay, another thing real quick.
Don't do what I'm doing.
See how Casey, how it's like crossed over on the ends here? You don't want that. Okay. Yeah, sorry. These little square things at the end need to not be covered up because it'll make it harder to cut it off later. It's okay. See, I just shoved it down off of there. This is a no-no. Just wrap right around there. See if you can get that one on. It's okay if you can't, but it's better if you can.
She said it was a no-no, so it sounds bad.
That's a no-no. See, mine are clear of any. That's what you want. So then you're going to put the yarn through the 2 end pieces, and then you're gonna close this. Okay. Then you're gonna open the other side
and go to town.
Go to town, start wrapping. And if you do wrap it around there, you can just pull it off. It's not that big of a deal. Just make sure when you are moving on to the next step that those things aren't covered up. Alrighty, this looks like a pink croissant. Now, once you get that one right, close it up. And then...
You have to put your string through?
No, you just close it. And then you're just gonna cut the string at the same length that the rest of the stuff is. Then you got something that looks like this.
Hang on.
We're gonna wait for Casey. Now, you're going to want some pointy little scissors for this, okay? These are the best scissors for what we're about to do. Don't be using these children's scissors. You want pointy sharp, okay? It's way better. And you can use big sharp ones if they're really sharp. We have some that they seem like they're sharp. They cut paper really nicely, and then you gotta cut this and it's terrible. So you're going to stick your scissors in between the two sides, and you're just gonna start cutting. Make sure you're staying right in the middle of these two pieces. See? Okay, and make sure you cut in between these two things again, because that's where we wrap that string around, and keep going. And just make sure that you've got everything cut. Lord.
I can't wait to do mine.
It's been literally 10 seconds. So you've got something that looks like this. We're gonna take a piece of yarn.
I mean, how do you know if you're staying in the middle?
You just stay in the middle. And then also, that thing, you put it right there, it guides it. Okay, so take a piece of extra yarn, and we're going to wrap it. We're literally putting it in the middle of those two pieces. Okay. And then
was ripping through this crap like a wild woman, not me.
Pull it up to the top. And then we're just gonna tie a knot. And the knot is gonna go down into the middle in between those pieces. So tie a knot, tie a two knot. Hazel's barking outside, what's new? And then I leave this on because you can use it at the end to tie it to an ornament or whatever you need. Because if you cut it, then it's gonna be really hard to attach your pom-pom to something unless you're gonna glue it. But we'll just leave that on there.
I made mine thicker than yours.
And then we're just gonna lift up the pieces, the green pieces, up of all sides. And then you pull these two pieces apart. Put that back together for later.
Then you reteach all of that because
then you have a pom-pom, but see how mine's a little wonky? You just trim that up. Oh, no, you don't trim until the end.
Yeah, okay, but I was waiting for your instructions.
Cut a piece of yarn. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little trimming because this is cray-cray.
Okay.
And then you're gonna, stick it in there. Yep.
Tie it.
Mm-hmm. Make sure it goes, when you tie it, it goes down in there and ties it real tight.
Okay.
And then open your thing up. No, like take the pink, push the pink things up. You can do one at a time. Or the other side, and then you pull it apart. The white part. Oh, you didn't tie it tight enough.
I tied it so tight. I didn't knot it.
What? I literally said tie it in a knot. I literally said that. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What the heck? Hold on. Put your finger right there so I can try to tie this and save your set. I don't understand.
I don't know what I was thinking. Oh man. Adventures with pom-pom making.
Oh, no, you need to shape that. While she's trimming that, I actually already have a lot of pom-poms. I actually don't even know if I have enough for the wreath, so we'll see. So what I'm going to do is take this foam wreath and arrange these on here, and I think I'm just gonna glue them down.
Hit Casey in the head.
Yeah. I'm gonna arrange them and then I'm gonna glue them down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my god, we might have just enough. Okay. Let's start gluing. Okay. Order of events. Put the glue on the styrofoam. Push the pom-pom down.
Hold it there.
Hold it.
Sing a song.
Don't pull it off. Move on to the next thing.
Savannah, tell us one fun fact about you.
I'm half Mexican.
That is fun.
Fun.
Her whole mom's side of the family. Mexican.
Mexican. Your turn.
I am not half of anything. When I was in the 9th grade, we had a foreign exchange student from Germany. That's fun.
These were my high school colors right here. Red, gold, and white. Whoops.
Blue and gold.
Now what I'm going to do is go fill in, like in between these two pom-poms, I'm gonna put one here, kind of on the corner of the styrofoam. And then I'm gonna do that all the way around. All right, guys, we did it. How cute.
So fun.
It is some fun. You could actually put another layer on the outside of here if you wanted to, but I'm not trying to get into that.
And you could put a bow or something.
Yeah, you could. That would be cute. We have a tutorial for one. You should watch it. But yeah, I think we're just gonna use ours just like this, and
I almost feel like you could get away with just having it year round.
Yeah, it's very, yeah, that's true.
You could wrap lights around it.
You could. We're just gonna leave like this
Am I blinking anymore?
Either put it on our front door or on our kitchen, on our yellow door. Either a pink door or a yellow door, because obviously it needs to go on a colorful door. But you should make this. It's cute, that's all I have to say.
That's all we have to say.
Jingle, Casey.
I'm gonna take a minute of that.
Well, thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another episode of our Vlogmas.
Bye-bye.
Bye.